Hi, my name is Jose Luis, and welcome to this small section in the playlist of Having Fun with WebSockets, where I'm going to teach you how to connect even more things together. So, inheriting from the work that we've done previously on putting a WebSocket server on the cloud, and then using a P5 sketch to coordinate the motion of some dots on a canvas, what I would like to do now is to teach you how to connect Rhino and Grasshopper to this rig so that we can use, for example, the P5 canvas to coordinate the motion of and the animation of this circle, this sphere, on top of a NURBS surface, and how we will eventually, farther down in this playlist, when we learn about Telegram bots, for example, how we will be able to program a Telegram bot where we can type, for example, can you take the ball to relative coordinates 0.2 and 0.8 and then make the ball move to that point? Or where I will be able to actually do that from my physical phone. So for example, ball to 0.1 and 0.1, and then the ball, boo! I just did that with my phone right now. It's going to go to that corner. All right. So, because this is the magic of network communication, so long as you write that so long as you're consistent with the formatting of the data that you're exchanging between processes and they can understand that data, then you can do with that data whatever you want. So let's talking and more doing. Let's take a look on the next video at how to create a basic WebSocket client in Grasshopper and then build up towards this example with the animated sphere on top of the NURBS surface, coordinated with the rest of the sketches that we have seen in the previous examples. Let's take a look at that.